channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So you can search web using Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo or any engine you prefer. So let's get started. Firstly, open Microsoft Edge. Then we will click on three dots. Scroll down, open settings. Here you will see click on privacy, search and services. Scroll down till last. Click on search and connected experiences. Then click on address bar and search. Here you will see search engines. Click on it. Now you will see all the search engines you have. If you can add a new search engine, click on add search engine. Here you will name the search engine, then shortcut and then URL, then add. Like now we will see which of search engine. Like I'm searching Google. Here you will see Google, Yahoo, India search results. It means my search engine is Yahoo. I will change it to Bing. Then click on three dots. Click on make default. Now your search engine is Bing. Again we are type Google Chrome. Here you will see your search engine is changed. That's it. You have successfully changed the search engine in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.